God! I got a DM on TikTok from somebody in our city that claims to be the most wanted driver. So I figured it'd be a good video idea to invite him out and go for a ride in the car and see what happens. I'm not sure what car he's in, but I hear something and I see a Civic, and I hope it's not the Civic. Are you the guy from TikTok?
Yeah.
You're in a Civic?
Yeah, well, it's raining and I'll drive BMW for you.
Okay, well, I guess we'll just hop in. We'll hop in.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't kill us. I'll blur your face and everything just in case, but let's go, I guess.
Alright.
So I guess I'll just ask him questions. So do you want your name in this or no?
No, that's already, no.
Okay. So what made you want to reach out over TikTok, to my TikTok?
Well, I see you got a pretty decent following coming up here now, and that's what, you know, making out on what's on it now. St. John's got that.
Okay. So have you been in like police chases or stuff like that, like cutting up through traffic?
Well, you know, I try to avoid the cops as much as I can, but, well, you know how it is. Because every now and then you get into a chase and you gotta get away.
I'll take your word for it, so I personally, let it be known, I don't run from the cops. I have a BRZ, so
I've heard those are pretty slow.
they're pretty slow, but at the end of the day, you're also in a Civic.
Yeah, you know, this is not my name, you know. Well, for the rain, I take this out because I don't want my BMW getting old.
You, no offense, maybe this was a bad idea. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, so I guess I'll just ask, like, what made you get into the whole, I guess, is it a lifestyle or?
Like a hobby, I like the adrenaline rush of, you know, just kind of cutting through traffic and, you know, like 1 second, you know, you're kind of just like sitting here, the next you're just like weaving in and out, and then, you know, cops on top of it.
So just, I guess you're an adrenaline junkie.
Pretty much.
Okay. So how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm actually 53. I got into this, you know, pretty late because I had a bit of a midlife crisis, and, you know, when wife divorced me and, you know, I was doing basically nothing, I had to rebuild from the ground up, and then,
And rebuilding from the ground up is driving like you hate everybody.
yeah.
So, is there a reason you haven't started social media and like posting? Because there's people like in New York, like Squeeze Benz and like Swim Team and those types of people. Are you like, have you seen their videos and like, has that helped you get into this or?
They do provide a bit of an inspiration, but I feel like I wouldn't be very good at.
So I had to ask this question. I'm sure everyone watching has the same question, but if you do crash and you do hurt somebody, if you hit someone with a family and you injure their kids and you walk off completely fine, do you think that you deserve to be punished for that, or?
Well, yeah, I should be thrown in jail, you know. I mean, consequences of my own actions if you get what I'm saying.
I'm actually kind of, no offense, I'm kind of surprised by that, by somebody who drives like this. Is this like a regular basis, or is this like every couple days, or?
Like, oh, you know, I do have a bit of a life outside of driving like this. Like I said, I don't have a social media following, and, you know, this is really kind of more like a hobby.
So, I had to ask this, have you ever actually been caught by the police before?
So, I have been caught, but it wasn't in my car.
Oh, it was in your car. Okay. Okay. So you haven't actually been caught doing the things that you do in your other cars.
No, not in any vodka.
It's a green. What are you doing, bro? Okay. I moved it to the front, but we are now getting on the highway. Oh gosh.
It's a Hellcat Durango. I'm squeezing the track, all it takes two to tango. Don't solve the riddle if you can't face the truth. Don't race the M5, you can't take the kids. 800 horses, I'm a speed on the chase. 800 horses, it's a B58. Got a Porsche 911, I'm a fiend for the chase. You can try in a Honda, I'm a bleed in a Wraith. Left hand
Oh my God.
Van Cleave, I'm a ball hog. Let me run the point, Van Fleet. She names HB, I made her pay for plan B. If the cops call me, I can win the shit.
Okay.
I can't see. I can drive, I just can't pull.
You can slow down a little bit. It's a wet road. Oh my God. It's wet out, I'm just saying.
She's a stock trader sister. The cop blocks the exit, he gets popped like a possum.
Oh my gosh. So you do that on like almost a daily basis.
Yeah, pretty much.
That is absolutely crazy. Okay. That's the whole. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Well, you don't like that.
It's okay. Oh my gosh. Bro. Okay. These poor people. These poor people. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. The fact. Oh, there's a cop. Look. The fact that this doesn't scare you scares me. I'm not gonna lie.
You get used to it after you've been doing it for a while.
Again, like I said earlier, I don't condone doing this. I myself don't do it. Drive responsible.
I noticed donuts.
In a Civic?
Yeah.
Donuts in a Civic. You mean like reverse donuts or something? Or
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, sure. If you're up for it, just don't kill me. I think there might be someone in that truck. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey. Oh. I think your car just blew up. Oh. Are you sure? Look at. I mean. I'm gonna say this now. I am not liable for anything bad that happens to this car.
With a pint and a scale, X720 went from LA to Vegas. From the tab, but I still had to pay it. 3 can't play, make the 23 M340, but it's mounted. Got 3 mil on the gram, but it's body. Box boys, I'm all about my cheese like some cottage. 580 maybe. New farm, about to burn it out. $65 each per rally, about to burn them out. Didn't pop the first song, I had to learn the sound.
So I guess before you drop me back, what does your family think about all this stuff?
Well, I don't have much family left, but the family that I do have, I haven't really been in contact since I went to prison, so.
You went to prison?
Yeah, the whole reselling business, it's a bit of big trouble.
So you got caught doing whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
and then instead of stopping, you decided to keep going.
Well, you gotta pick up again somewhere, and I'm talented at certain things, and not so much in other things, so, you gotta pick what you're good at.
Being in Newfoundland, kind of a smaller spot, is there a community for this type of stuff?
There is a couple, but, well, there is a couple people I run with, but a lot of them are proud of mischief, and it's the lower quality, because it's all the shit boxes.
Okay. I'll be in touch, I guess. We might be able to do something else if the video does well.
I guess we can cut it up with that BRZ or see if we can keep up.